Hey, what's up? It's Jordan Kahana here in Scottsdale, Arizona, staying at the Aiden by Best Western. This property has so many amazing amenities and I can't wait to show you. Let's go check it out, come on. If you love coffee as much as I do, there is an actual Starbucks in the lobby ready to order. Let's get a drink. And so here we are inside a king suite room on the ground floor. It has amazing natural light in the bedroom and so much space with the open floor plan. And one of my favorite features about being on the ground floor in this room is that it is adjacent to the outside amenities. This Aiden by Best Western has so many outdoor activities. You ready to check it out? Come on, let's go. Here we are in the outdoor courtyard and amphitheater that has your life-size beer pong, cornhole, you have your fire pit and a large Jenga set, you have spike ball, Connect 4, and the pool is right over there. Honestly, what more can you ask for? This Arizona heat is no joke and this pool is so necessary. But we have to get in the right attire first. All right, it's time to jump in. Come on. And the great thing about Duke's Bar is that it's both inside and outside. Here at the Aiden by Best Western, there is so much patio space. And when you're in Arizona, it is so nice, so many days of the year. So it's essential to get on outside and hang out by the pool. Let's go see what else they have. I know for me, my day doesn't get started without some coffee, and one of my favorite amenities of the property is the 24-hour free Starbucks self-serve. This machine is super easy to use, offering you hot coffee, chai latte, hot cocoa, and hot water. The Wi-Fi speeds here are super fast, and they have so much workspace, it's nice to get out of your room sometimes. And that is a wrap here at the Aiden by Best Western with all the incredible features and amenities. What more could you ask for out of a staycation or getting out of your normal daily routine? If you're adventuring to Central Arizona soon, check out the Aiden by Best Western.